This light is held in with a couple of 10mm bolts looking at this, so we'll whip them out and see what we can do. So it sort of comes away to the side there, and then behind here we have a giant multi-plug. Let's show you what's going on here. So this is the light fitting, we've just pulled it away, and that's what you reveal. So we pull that back, there's a little tab just there to press, get a little screwdriver on it. Pull the connector out. Now they all look nice and clean. Doesn't look to be too many problems with that itself. But here's the light fitting. So if I was needing to change the bulbs, if I got a blown brake light bulb or an indicator on this, we literally pull these plastic tabs back on this rear light unit here. So there's 4 of them, and then there's one on the back there. I'll just give that a little lever. It can be quite tight. Slowly work them up, and then that last one there in the end, bingo, and out it pops, which then reveals your bulbs, which you can replace. In fact, this one it's slightly dark. It's gone slightly dark on this side, and one of the filaments in it is started to pucker. I don't know if you can pick that up. It's very difficult to see it with the camera. Which is the light that's interfering with that? Oh, there you go. If I block that reflection there, sort of. Anyway, we're going to go and put a new one in that one. Twin filament bulb. So we've got a nice new shiny bulb. These will only go in one way. On the bulbs you've got one of the pins is higher than the other. So you've obviously just got to line these up and make sure you're getting the right way around. Like so, in it goes. Let's pop this back into the light unit. A little bit fiddly. Make sure we line up these markers as we're going round. Okay, so now they're all clipped back in again, and that's in that end, that's in that end, so that's in lovely. So as you can see on these, you've got these two push-in clips which go into the rubber hole and the little mounting at the top there, just to locate the light. We'll get this connector plug back in again. That's the connector plug in. Let's find them locating pins either side. That one there and the one at the top. And then we'll push all that back in again. Bang! And give that a good squidge up to its mountings. Put the bolts back in. Top one. And the bottom one. Make sure that's right in nicely. Lovely. If that's been of any use to you, enjoyed it, please comment, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.